Hey there, and welcome to our homeschooling journey. Today I'll be reviewing The Good and the Beautiful's Preschool Language Arts. We first used this curriculum with our son when he was 4 years old and a late talker as part of his pre-kindergarten year. I do want to begin by saying we are not affiliated with The Good and the Beautiful in any way. I want to offer you my honest opinion to help you decide if it's worth investing in. Let's start with an overview of the curriculum. The Good and the Beautiful designed this curriculum for preschool-age children, typically ages 3 to 5. It focuses on early language arts skills such as letter recognition, phonics, pre-writing, fine motor development, and early literacy. The course includes a full-color preschool course book, preschool folder activities, preschool practice sheets, as well as access to learning songs and videos. The course set is around $50 and can be purchased online through their website. One of the strengths of this curriculum is how beautifully designed and engaging it is. I love how the illustrations and hands-on activities capture my little one's attention and make learning feel more like play. Another strength is the open and go format. This has been really helpful for me as a busy homeschooling mom. I can just open the book and start teaching without too much prep. I also appreciate how it gently builds foundational skills through short and simple lessons. This has made homeschooling preschool feel stress-free and consistent. There are a few weaknesses to this curriculum. One of the weaknesses is that it may feel repetitive if your child already knows some letter sounds. I found that some of the lessons move slowly at times for a little one already familiar with the alphabet. Another weakness is that there's not much review built in. This was challenging because my little one needed more repetition to retain certain concepts. Lastly, some hands-on components require extra material. This was a problem because I didn't always have everything on hand when it was needed. Overall, I believe this curriculum is a wonderful, gentle introduction to early literacy and phonics. I think it's a great choice for families who want a beautiful, faith-based preschool program that's easy to implement and engaging for young learners. However, if you're looking for a more academic or secular program, then this may not be a good choice for you. Thank you for watching my review of The Good and the Beautiful's Preschool Language Arts course set. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you've used this curriculum before, I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. See you next time.